Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is In the Palm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. And I also have a 400 subscriber giveaway. I have a couple other giveaways going on right now as well. And I will put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos, talk about how to enter all of my giveaways. So Facetory is a Korean beauty skincare subscription, and they have two different levels, and I do have them both. The first level is the Lux Box, where you get over $200 worth of skincare and hair care products for $49.95. It's 10 amazing products included, and that is one that is a seasonal subscription. And then they also have their monthly one, which is their 7 Lux Box, where you get $50 worth of sheet masks and skincare products for only $19.90. It's 7 premium sheet masks and 1 to 2 skincare products included. And this is, you know, get ready for the fall, 7 luxurious sheet masks that will help your skin stay hydrated and revitalized. And then I do have a code for $10 off if you want to subscribe to that Lux Box. It kind of helps you out, it kind of helps me out. I will put that link in the description box down below as well. So let's get into this. There's a card that talks about the different products. It says, trick or treat this month, treat yourself to fun skin-loving sheet masks that will have your skin feeling hydrated, soothed, and moisturized. We've also included some bonus items for you to try as well. So this must be a bonus item on top. This is the Blanc lip and eye remover pads. Remove your makeup easily without tugging your skin. We love that this is super gentle around the eye area, and it removes stubborn mascara with no stress at all. Key ingredients are broccoli extract, a skin strengthening ingredient that provides hydration to the skin, doesn't feel stripped for moisture, and tomato extract, an ingredient that moisturizes the skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Directions: place the pad over your eye and lips area for a few seconds to melt away and gently swipe away. Retail price of this is $4. I don't know if it says how many are in here because the back is all in a different language. But it looks like, I mean, it looks like it's pretty thick, that there's, you know, a good fair amount in here. Yeah, there's nothing that says, at least on the front of the packaging, that's in English what it is. I don't necessarily use a lot of makeup wipes because you don't want that tugging, you don't want the pushing and everything else, and so I usually do a double cleanse. So I'll probably throw this one in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 500 subscriber giveaway, so help us get there. So one of the reasons why I got the Lux one and this one is, if you're new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, let you know what I think about them, and I try them on the video for you so you can see everything. And so this kind of helps me do that. So here is, it's from Rated Green, is a cold press Tamanu oil soothing scalp mask. So it's basically a hair mask. Treat your hair to something special. The soothing scalp pack will moisturize your lovely locks while keeping your scalp extra healthy. We love that it helps balance our oils and allows our hair to last longer between washes. Key ingredients are Tamanu oil, a nut-derived oil that deeply moisturizes the skin while helping treat multiple skin concerns such as dryness, itchiness, acne, and inflammation. Black currant is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps nourish and treat skin conditions such as dandruff and eczema. Directions: after shampooing, apply a generous amount to clean wet scalp and hair. Gently massage on, leave on for 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water. No need for a conditioner. Gentle to use daily, retails for $4. I love hair masks. This looks like it is a 2 sample packs from Skin Lab. It's their Dr. Color Effect Red Serum and Red Cream. Is the Skin Lab's red line contains Phyto Red Complex, which is packed with antioxidants to promote cell turnover and protect the skin from environmental damage. It contains raspberry, pomegranate, cloudberry, blueberry, acai berry, and Chinese matrimony vine. Directions: apply the red serum to your face after cleansing and toning. Seal in the moisture and nutrients you applied with the red cream. So here's your serum you'd put on first and then put this cream on a second. Obviously it's a bonus one, so there's no price for this one. Now the rest are all face masks, and they all come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. This first one, I have wanted to try one of these. They look so cute. Be perfect for pictures. So this is the Clive Tiger Character Mask. This mask is great if you're looking to smooth out rough skin texture, brightening dull skin, and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Why we love it: not only is this mask super cute, because it's kind of in the shape of this and looks like this when you put it on your face, but it also helps with irritated skin, calms angry breakouts, and smooths inflammation so our skin can feel calm and happy. The key ingredients are Centella Sachet extract, a powerful yet gentle skin healing plant ingredient that calms, moisturizes, and soothes. Gondorum lucidium, basically a mushroom extract, is a great soothing, anti-aging, and moisturizing ingredient that revitalizes the skin. This retails for $4.50. I can't wait I think this will be so cute and fun to try. Next, from Saw 17, is an herb tea mask. The sheet mask renews the skin and improves elasticity while moisturizing and brightening your complexion. Why we love it: it contains various antioxidants that brighten our skin and deliver dewy, youthful complexion. We love it when we glow. Key ingredients are turmeric, Serum, polysaccharide. I'm so sorry I'm butchering these names. It's a hydrating, brightening, and anti-aging ingredient, and a Panax ginseng root extract, which is a skin smoothing and renewing ingredient. Retails for $3.50. By Leaders in Solution is their Wonders Tundra Cranberry Anti-Aging Mask. Need all the anti-aging help I can get. Give your skin a little lift and love. The biocellulose mask refines wrinkles and fine lines. Why we love it: we love biocellulose masks. This one is made with pure coconut and is infused with wonderful botanical extracts that aid in renewing and protecting our skin. Key ingredients are basically sugar maple extract and natural alpha hydroxide AHA that will help repair and heal the skin. Cranberry seed oil, which is an anti-aging and moisturizing ingredient that brightens the complexion and smooths out the texture. This one retails for $7. Hwang Come He is a one-shot Hamamelis calming mask. It calms your skin when it's feeling down and stressed. This mask helps with the redness, blemishes, and dry patches. Why we love it: this mask does a great job hydrating and soothing our skin. Our complexion and brightening is clear. The mask also helps reduce redness. It's perfect for when your skin is feeling unhappy. Key ingredients are witch hazel leaf water. This ingredient heals blemishes, reduces redness, and smooths out an uneven texture. I do have a toner that I love that has witch hazel in it. And also has trehalose, a moisturizing and skin protecting ingredient that reflects the elements found within the skin's outer layer to ensure the skin is properly moisturized. This retails for $3.50. Skin Traveler is the Rose Aqua Calming Mask. It says value for my skin. It looks so pretty. I love the packaging on this one. It's NOHJ Skin Traveler Rose Aqua Calming Mask. Keep your skin happy and healthy with this hydrating and calming sheet mask. Why we love it, it contains a variety of soothing ingredients that help calm irritated skin while making your masking experience beautiful. Key ingredients are rose extract, a calming, hydrating, and healing ingredient that balances the skin, tomato extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that aids in moisturizing and brightening the skin. This retails for $3.50. And it looks like on the back of this picture, it looks like it's almost like a lace mask. I can't wait to try this. This looks so pretty. Speaking of looking pretty, here is the EssenHERB Bulgarian Rose Mask. Wake up feeling gorgeous with this nourishing and hydrating rose mask. Why we love it, the sheet mask makes our skin feel hydrated, rejuvenated, and is perfect to add into your skincare routine. When the weather has been harsh and your skin needs some soft extra hydration, key ingredients are rose damascus flower water, a calming ingredient that also aids in delivering hydration and balancing the skin. Anise, a skin restoring ingredient that deeply smooths and moisturizes. This retails for $4. And the last one in here is by Centella Multi-Mask Pack. It's the holy grail for acne-prone skin and dry skin. Spoiler, yes. Why we love it, this mask works well for all of us, no matter our skin type. Whenever we deal with breakouts, this is our go-to. It helps minimize inflammation and moisturize our skin so that we can wake up with a smooth, glowing complexion. This mask, rich with Sea extract to heal any inflammation we have while containing skin-loving ceramides that help our skin moisturized and thriving. These are Centella Azteca leaf extract, a powerful yet gentle skin healing ingredient that calms, moisturizes, and soothes, and Hotini Gordata extract, the calming antioxidant-rich ingredients that balances the skin, tightening large pores and decreasing excess serum. This one's kind of cool because it has a sheet mask in itself, but then after you put the sheet mask on, it has notches down here in the corner. You know how there's always a ton of serum hopefully left in here? This has the actual notches in the bottom so you can get the rest out and put on, you know, your face, neck, chest, hands, elbows, wherever else, you know, to apply for maximum absorption. I think that's kind of a really cool idea to put the little notches in here. So I cannot wait to try all of these. They all sound super great. So be on the lookout for all of them in an upcoming masking and review series that I'm doing. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me when you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.